Hey there and welcome to this Smartsheet tutorial. If you've ever wished you could take your repetitive tasks and have Smartsheet automatically handle them for you, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create powerful, time-saving automated workflows in Smartsheet, perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to put basic automations in place that can keep your projects moving and your team in sync without any manual hassle. Let's get started. If automation sounds a little daunting, don't worry. Smartsheet actually makes it really approachable, especially for beginners, because it offers ready-made templates that take out a lot of the guesswork. When you're in the automation menu, you'll notice you have two main choices. You can either create from template or create from scratch. For today, let's make things easy and go with the template option, just like following a proven recipe before you start cooking freestyle. Go ahead and click Create from Template. Now you get a whole list of helpful templates to choose from, each designed to automate a different kind of workflow. This is great because it saves you time and makes sure all the important steps aren't missed. Let's try out a very practical example, automatically moving a row to another sheet when certain criteria are met. This is especially handy if you process requests or manage tasks that need to be moved to different lists as they progress. To do this, find the Move a Row to Another Sheet when specified criteria are met template, click on it, and hit Use Template. This does most of the heavy lifting for you, so you won't have to build everything from scratch. Now let's zero in on the trigger. The workflow will ask what should make this automation kick in. In this case, select when rows are added or changed. What this means is that whenever new information is entered or an existing row is updated, Smartsheet will check to see if it meets your automation criteria. It's like setting up a watchful assistant who's always paying attention for you. Next up, you'll see a spot to define what value in your row should activate the move. You'll probably be prompted to select a column. Let's pick something like name and tell Smartsheet that any value in this column should qualify. You can fine-tune this if you want, but for now this keeps it simple, especially while you're getting the hang of things. After the trigger and the criteria are set, you'll tell Smartsheet what you want to happen. Since our goal is to move that row, choose the Move Rows action. You'll need to select the sheet where the rows should go. For instance, maybe you've created a completed tasks sheet or a next steps sheet for this. Start typing the name, select the correct sheet, and click to confirm. Once that's set, be sure to hit Save. This is what locks your automation into place. Before wrapping up, it's a good idea to test your workflow to make sure everything's working smoothly. Click the three dots next to your automation, then choose Trigger Workflow on specific rows. Select a row or two. This lets you simulate the automation without having to wait for real data changes. Then click Run. Now hop over to your destination sheet and check that the row has landed there. If it did, you know your workflow is ready for real-world use. That's all there is to building your first automated workflow in Smartsheet. Remember, templates are your best friend when you're just starting out, and don't be afraid to experiment with different triggers and actions as you get more comfortable. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Smartsheet tips you can start using right away. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.